In the heart of Dominica, a unique celebration unfolds, weaving together tradition, community, and a vibrant expression of cultural pride. Welcome to Tewé Vaval, a captivating event that holds a special place in the rich culture of Dominica. Tewé Vaval translates into bury the carnival. It's just more than a festivity. It is a profound reflection of the island's spirit. As the pulsating rhythms of calypso and bouillon fill the air during the carnival days and nights, for Tewé Vaval, communities come together to bid farewell to the exhilarating days of carnival. It marks a symbolic end, a moment of unity where the festivities are laid to rest and the spirit of the people is renewed. But Tewé Vaval is not just about farewells. It's a celebration of resilience, a testament of the strength embedded in Dominican heritage. The act of burying the carnival becomes a symbolic gesture, a nod to the cyclical nature of life, the acknowledgement that endings pave the way for new beginnings. For generations, Tewé Vaval has been a vessel for passing down ancestral traditions, a living connection to the island's history. It's a time when the past dances harmoniously with the present, and the echoes of the ancestors resound through the laughter, the music, and the vibrant colors that adorn the streets. As the sun sets and the bonfires illuminate the night, Tewé Vaval becomes a beacon of cultural pride, casting its warm glow on the faces of those who carry the legacy forward. This event is a mosaic of community bonds, a celebration that transcends generations, fostering a sense of belonging and unity. Tewé Vaval, where the vibrant spirit of Dominica converges with the echoes of the past, creating a dance of tradition that continues to shape the island's identity. Join us as we delve into this cultural spectacle, a celebration that goes beyond the surface, embodying the resilience, unity, and enduring spirit of the Dominican people.
What happened in the day on the day?
They got figure to see.
Open it. Open it.